Gumroad is a third-party service that will allow you to quickly and easily install e-commerce functionality into any Adobe Muse project. We've created this into a widget that you simply drag and drop out to page, which we've placed in our upper left-hand corner. It's a simple widget that, once installed, all you need to do is then go into Gumroad and create your product, and once you have your product created, it'll give you a URL address that you can use to share. Well, then you can come back into Muse and just simply create a Buy Now button. It could be a link, it could be, like we have here, a text frame, it could be an image, it could be anything you want that's able to be hyperlinked in Muse. And once you have it created, you select it and simply paste the URL address that Gumroad provides to you that initiates the e-commerce experience. So what we're going to do is quickly preview in browser to get an idea of what this looks like. Now that we have it installed, what you'll see is I've actually been messing around here already, and there's the shopping cart experience that it provides. So I'm going to click Buy Now, and of course it's going to allow me to, well, buy this t-shirt, which is the use case that we're using. I'll select orange and my quantity of 3 or 4, and I'll buy it. Now that I have it, you'll see that I have all of my products here in my shopping cart, and I can simply just click Pay and go through a checkout experience that will allow me to collect payment and then of course ship this t-shirt to this person. Gumroad has made it simple and easy to sell all kinds of product types, anything from physical products to digital goods, as well as even subscriptions.